Hi, this is Clara for Blockchain of Things. Today, we will cover the debug sidebar. You can display any data that gets passed through your flow to the debug sidebar by attaching a debug node to the flow. The debug sidebar will also display any messages logged at runtime. If you are running Node-RED locally on your Mac or PC, first open your terminal and launch Node-RED. Copy the server address and paste it into your browser. The debug sidebar can be brought up by clicking the bug icon here. The debug sidebar has many uses. For example, later in this tutorial series, we'll be using the debug sidebar to display the message ID produced by logging data to the blockchain. Let's see how the debug sidebar works. First, drag an inject node and a debug node into the work area. Now, connect the inject node into the debug node like so. Double-click the inject node and in the Payload section of the Properties tab, select String and then type a message. Now click Done. Then click Deploy. Click the button on the left side of the inject node, and there it is. Our message has been printed to the debug sidebar. In our next video, you'll configure your first virtual device on Catenis Flow so you can interact directly with the blockchain.